You don't need to spend thousands on iTools. We tested the best free alternatives that actually compete with premium options, and some creators prefer them. Free iTools level the playing field for creators and small businesses. They let you test features risk-free, build workflows, and scale without upfront costs. Most free versions include core features, image generation, writing assistance, coding help that handle 80% of everyday tasks. The catch? Limited outputs and watermarks, but for testing and learning, they are invaluable. ChatGPT remains the best for writing and brainstorming. Canva's iFeatures handle design basics. Runway offers free video editing with iFX. Upscales images free and open source. For coding, GitHub Copilot's free tier is powerful. You can take up Copilot. Each tool dominates its category without charging a cent. Test them all, you'll find your workflow. Go paid when free limits slow you down. If you're generating 100 POS images monthly, Midjourney subscription save time. If you need AP access or remove watermarks, paid unlock scaling. Freelancers billing clients should invest in reliability. But don't rush. Free tiers handle most side projects perfectly. Start free. Build real projects. Track what limits frustrate you. Then upgrade strategically. Not everything at once. Most successful creators mix free and pay tools smartly. You don't need premium everything. You need the right tool for each job. Which free A tool for each job? Which free A tool for each job? Which free A tool for use in tutorials? Which? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe for more A tool reviews and tutorials. With Zunkidation, Actus Decor, Inogos,